Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a ledger in MS Word. First, open a new blank document. Navigate to the Insert tab and click Table. Choose to insert a table with 5 columns and at least 10 rows. This provides a good starting structure for your financial records. You can easily add more rows later as needed. Adjust the column widths to ensure all your information fits comfortably. Now let's label your table columns. In the first row, type date in the first cell. The second cell should be labeled description to detail each transaction. For financial entries, label the third column debit and the fourth credit. Finally, the last column should be balanced to keep a running total of your accounts. This setup provides a clear overview. To make your ledger easy to read, let's apply some formatting. Select the header row and make the text bold. You can also add a light shading to this row for visual distinction. Consider adding borders to all cells for a clean look. For numerical columns like debit, credit, and balance, ensure the text is right-aligned for consistency and easy comparison of values. With your ledger set up, you can now begin entering your financial data. Fill in the date, description, and the appropriate debit or credit amount for each transaction. Remember to calculate and update the balance column after every entry to maintain accurate records. Once complete, save your document with a descriptive name like My Personal Ledger to easily find it later.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.